Here my breakdown for my latest shot on YouTube. First, I import to my footage to DaVinci and jump into Fusion Paint. The background is the street view on the left and myself the character on the right. I use the tracker node to track the background using 2-point tracking and tracking the rail whole concrete on the second floor. To parent myself to that, merge it on top of it. I create 2 mask using 2 polygon and use the control mate node to merge it on top of the background and the character. For the character myself, I use Vigo AI to mocap myself dancing to the music, and then I use the Polaroid node to reduce the color in the video. After that, I key out myself of the green screen. I color correct it to match the footage, saturation, the contrast, and the level, the value. I add the rank filter node to sorting the pixel, make it less detailed to match the footage. I add grain to add noise because if you scrub to the footage, it got too many noise. And then I use the transform node to rescale, reposition myself to where I want the character to be in. Finally, I put the concrete block on top of that to block my leg, like I said previous. And that's it. Enjoy the horizontal version of my video.
This time I want you, like it's magnetic, super eco.
And if you want to see the vertical one, you can check it out right here.